Writing an email can feel terrifying, like staring at a blank wall of expectations with no clue where to start or how it will be received. You overthink, imagining paragraphs, explanations, and endless context, each idea piling on top of the last until it feels impossible to write anything at all. But here's the secret. Complexity isn't required. You don't need to explain everything, justify everything, or write a novel. Focus on one sentence, one ask. That's it. Keep it short, clear, and actionable. Nothing more. A simple, clear question travels faster than 1,000 words, cutting through confusion and making it easy for the other person to respond. Hit send, and it's off, like a paper plane flying straight to the recipient, with no obstacles, no distractions, just a single clear message. The recipient sees it, and their brain immediately knows what to do. No hesitation, no guessing, just clarity. They type back a one-line reply. No confusion, no friction, just a straightforward answer to your simple ask. Your inbox feels lighter. Your stress disappears. You realize it wasn't hard at all. Complexity creates delay. Simplicity creates action. The simpler the message, the faster the result. Draw a straight line from your email to their reply. It's really that simple. A single, clear path without detours. Repeat it, and suddenly responding to emails becomes effortless. Every email is a small win, building confidence and clarity. Toss away overthinking. It's heavy, unnecessary, and slows you down more than you realize. Remember, one sentence, one ask. Send and forget. That's all it takes to get results. Emails are easy when you keep them simple. Confidence grows naturally, one line at a time, and each reply reinforces that simplicity works.